Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals for the week. These are either going to be items that are on sale, items that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. I will have all of these items linked down in the description for you guys with their own independent links, so it's super easy to find. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. We release these Amazon tool deal videos every Friday. And then throughout the rest of the week, I do project car videos, tool reviews, knife reviews, things like that. So tons of content, but these are released every Friday. So let's go ahead and get right into this. First up is a Casoman product. If you guys don't know, Casoman, Mixpower, those brands, very, very big on Amazon. I don't think you can really find them anywhere else. They've really created I wouldn't say created a name for themselves, but I think they've earned the trust of a lot of people over the last couple of years that they've been on Amazon. For the price that you're paying, you usually get a really good deal. I'm not saying they're top of the line or anything like that, but for the price that you pay, you can get some really good stuff from these brands. Now, Casoman and Mixpower, which we're going to go over both brands in today's video, they're basically the same, if not the exact same. They have a lot of the same sets, and the list prices are typically the same. One brand will have something on sale, the other one won't, and then they'll flip-flop. But yeah, either way, this is the 14-piece 3/8 drive mid-length socket set, 6 through 19 millimeter. And this reminds me of a lot of gear wrench. The design on the sockets, honestly, they probably come from the same factory. And normally I would say you might have a better chance with the warranty for gear wrench, but let's not joke around. Gear wrench's warranty is a joke as well. I wish more companies would have warranties like Harbor Freight, Tecton, Capri, where they actually honor warranties and make it a no-hassle exchange. But it is what it is. This Casoman set is a mid-length 3/8 drive socket set. We have big-name brand tool companies out there that can't even bring us mid-length sockets. This Amazon brand can bring us mid-length sockets. I think a lot of the big name brands need to step up their game before a lot of these no name brands take a lot of their business. But I have a couple Casoman products. I don't have this specific set, but honestly, for the price, they're really hard to beat for weekend warriors, DIYers, some really good stuff. They have SAE, the Nanos, 1/4-inch drive. I mean, they have a lot of little sets, and $23.37 down from a list price of $26. I think that's a great price. Really good coverage, no skips. That's pretty dang good if you ask me. This has 4.8 stars, 460 ratings. Please let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. Next up, a bigger set from Casoman. This is a 104-piece set, 3/8 drive, master sockets. It says impact socket set. They're not. Do I use chrome on an impact? Yep. But I thought this was really good coverage, really good variety at a really good price. $118.97 down from a list price of $170, which for quite some time it did actually sell at that $170. So this is a really good deal. It's been going on a little while now, but whether it stays at this price or goes back, this is a great price for what you're getting in this set. 6-point and 12-point chrome vanadium. They have like super stubbies, shallow, mid-length, and deep well, and universals. The super stubbies are 6-point, shallows are both 6-point and 12-point, mid-length is 6-point. What do we got here? Deep well, 12-point and 6-point, and then 6-point for the universals. But here you can see the size difference for the stubbies, the standard, mid-length, and deep well. The layout in the actual blow molded case. I mean, that is roughly $1.14 per socket, which is very, very fair for 3/8 drive sockets. So I thought this was a great deal. Please let me know your guys' thoughts, though. 5 stars, 10 ratings, so rated highly, not rated very much, but definitely a good one if you're a weekend warrior DIYer that's needing some really good coverage or variety. Once again, this 3/8, they may have 1/4-inch and 1/2-inch drive. I'm not 100% sure on that, but they do have a lot of offerings. Next up is a Mixpower product. Like I said, Mixpower, Casoman, basically the same thing. You can get this set from Casoman, but the Casoman wasn't on sale. This one was. By no means are these the highest quality impact sockets. This is kind of like the pricing that you would see with Tecton back in the day when you can buy them at Meijer, or, around 2015, 10 years ago, 10, 12 years ago, Tecton had extremely cheap impact socket sets. Not anymore, but by no means are they top of the line. But I know guys that I see every week, they are still smashing Pittsburgh impact sockets in the shop on a regular basis, holding up just fine. When it comes to impact sockets, a lot of them out there can just be used and abused. Now, this is 1/4" drive. If you're not a 1/4" drive, they do have other sets as well, 3/8, 1/2", whatever. This one was just a really good deal. 1/4" impact is becoming more and more popular over the last year or two. Some of the sets are starting to get up there in price. Even the Tecton one is getting up there in price. I want to say 140 or so. Still a fantastic set. The coverage in that set is phenomenal. Tecton warranty, all of that. But at $32.37, I think this is a phenomenal set. 55 pieces, both metric and SAE, shallow and deep, a few extensions, and adapter reducer, and a universal joint. So just looking at the coverage here, you have 4 through 15, which is good. Tecton goes up above and beyond on the impact side of things. Probably one of the only 1/4" drive impact sets that goes above 15, honestly. But still, I like that this set at least goes up to 15. 2, 4, and 6" extension, 6-point sockets, both laser engraved and stamped. There you can see all of the sizes included, 5/32 through 9/16, and 4 through 15, including the 4.5 and 5.5. And I like how these laser engravings are really bold or reverse, really easy to see. Eventually, yeah, I'm sure some of those will rub off, but still really easy to see for the time being. And just so you guys are aware, the ones that would normally be necked down just have the taper, which is pretty common when it comes to cheaper sockets. They'll just do the taper or conical shape at the tip of the socket. Less machine work to remove material, but still kind of slims it down so you can get into tighter spaces. The ones that are actually neck down are a little bit better for when you're working in tight spaces, but still at basically $33. I mean, I'd run them all day long. 4.7 stars, 2,688 ratings. Next up, another Mixpower set. This is their 1/2" drive set, both shallow and deep. 6-point, metric, 9 through 30 millimeter. So really good coverage here. You also have extensions. They are chromoly steel. This is at $108.87, down from $121, which I still, for 1/2" drive impact, I think that's a really good price. So we got shallow up top, deep well down below. You got a 3" extension and your universal down here. For the shallow, you do have 9 through 30. You do have a couple skips, nothing until the 24. It skips 25, then you get 26, 27, and it skips 28, 29, and then you get 30. Honestly, I'm perfectly okay with that. That's some really good size coverage. Same thing with the deep wells. I like the red ring around it. Makes it a little bit easier to find if it's not on an impact already. There you can see everything included a little bit better. And this is what I wish more brands would do. Klein is doing this as well, but these stamped size markings, they're pretty decent size, and they're filled, the color filled. So it's not like just laser engraving where eventually that's going to get rubbed off. The paint is recessed in the stamp, so it's large and bright. So it should last quite some time and still be really easy to read. And I think more brands need to do that. So honestly, I think it's a really good set. Another one, 43-piece set, $109. 4.8 stars, 19 ratings. Next up, we're looking at a Bilitools product. This is a brand that I probably started mentioning a couple years ago. And they don't have a huge lineup, but what they do have is pretty nice, especially for the price. As you guys can tell, this week's deals are a lot of like Amazon brands because they just have a lot of really good deals going on right now. But this is their 5-piece flip socket set, 1/2" drive, chromoly steel, dual-sided with the plastic sleeves to protect your wheels. So whether you're a weekend warrior, DIYer, or a professional, sockets like these can be phenomenal. Not only do you not want to damage your own stuff, you don't want to damage a customer's stuff. So you have 17, 17 and a half, 22 and 22 and a half for the swollen lugs. Very common on certain vehicles, as well as if you're in the Rust Belt and things like that. And then it does include an extension bar and a knockout rod. So there you can see 17, 17 and a half on the first one, 18 and a half and 19 and a half on the next one, then 19, 21, 21, 21 and a half, 22 and 22 and a half. So I really like that they include those half sizes, and you still get basically every socket you would need for lug nuts. Really, really nice little set. I like how they're color coded, chromoly, thin wall, protective sleeve. For $36, down from a list price of $40. 4.7 stars, 527 ratings. Next up, now this is one everything we've went over so far, I have experience with the brands. Never heard of this brand, never seen this set, just came across it, thought it was pretty interesting. Hadn't seen one quite like this before. So I wanted to get your guys' thoughts. So you get a little rationing wrench in there. Looks like an 8 and a 12 mil rationing wrench, double-sided rationing wrench. And you have your smaller bits, Torx and Allen, and then as you work up into the larger Torx and Allen, obviously you would use the 12 millimeter side. But they all use a ball detent, and they all just slide into this ratcheting wrench. Now I've seen, nano sockets, things like that. I want to say I don't know if it's Vim or somebody has something similar to this, but it's definitely not very often you see sets like this. And I really like this design, even though it's not by a brand that I've ever heard of. And it's just in one of these, little case. I thought it was a really cool little set. 5/32 all the way up to 3/8, 4 through 10. And then for Torx, you have T10 through T55. I do think the wrench looks a little ridiculous in here. It is weird having such a small size on one end and a 12 on the other. But I mean, this creates a really low profile, which can be extremely helpful. I really like this design idea, and I'm really surprised that I haven't seen it from more brands. It is a 72 tooth design for the ratcheting wrench. For dash work, interior, working tight spaces, I think this little set could be extremely popular. Now this is at $40. I wanted to mention it. I don't think it's a great price just because I don't know this brand. It has gone on sale down to $35 in the past. It hasn't been out very long, early July, so just over a month old. So I mean, maybe we'll see if I could get this around $30, I think that would be a really good price. $40 is kind of pushing it, but it all just depends on the type of work you do, honestly. But it already has 4.7 stars, 48 ratings. Next up, we're looking at a hardware set, and actually a couple of them, because I haven't bought hardware from online in many years. I keep a lot of hardware on hand. I bought a few large sets like this on Amazon or eBay or somewhere many years ago. I still have a stockpile of it. And then I also have a bunch that I picked up from Lowe's and, the hardware store. But the stuff I bought online years ago, definitely not great quality, but still extremely handy to have around the shop and garage just for miscellaneous stuff. I never use the lower quality stuff on anything that involves safety or anything like that, but I also don't want to use expensive hardware on something I'm slapping together or just a miscellaneous fastener I need to just hold something to, something that is not dangerous to have a cheaper fastener in. But from what I've gathered, a lot of people are really impressed with these newer sets. And I saw a couple of them and just wanted to mention them. Let me get your guys' feedback. This is a 940 piece grade 8.8 metric bolt and nut set, M4 through M8, yellow zinc plated. And I mean, honestly, I can already tell you, even without purchasing this is already higher quality than what I picked up years ago. I don't know if they'll necessarily be the hardware store quality, but honestly, for this price, I think this is a nice set. I'm sure if I order this, it's going to be all jacked up when I get it. None of this is going to be organized like that. I can guarantee you that. But I mean, there's some really good coverage here. I like to have a variety of everything on hand when it comes to hardware because I hate having to run to the hardware store for 1 or 2 fasteners. It always happens anyways, but that's besides the point. They also have an SAE. 4.8 stars, 13 ratings on this one. It's been as high as 48 and as low as 27. So, I mean, if you get this under $30, I already think $34 is phenomenal for this size set. 940 pieces, but I got one more I want to show you real quickly. Different brand, Bonost, another one I don't know. This is a 3,010 piece nut and bolt set, all grade 8.8 as well, metric, obviously. 4 trays in this one, nuts and bolts, assorted SAE and metric Phillips head bolts. So it's going to have a variety of different stuff. If there's SAE, then obviously that's not going to be 8.8. But yeah, you will get SAE Phillips head bolts, 755 pieces, 21 sizes of bolts, hex nuts, and washers. Metric Phillips head bolts, 875 pieces, 22 sizes, M3 through M8. 1,380 pieces, 19 sizes of M4 through M8. So, I mean, there's a lot of really good coverage here, but it definitely seems like there's been an improvement over the years since I've bought hardware online. But if you guys have bought any sets online in the last couple years, please let me know your guys' thoughts on them. They do come in little locking cases, keeps everything nice and organized. And this set is at $65, not on sale. But then again, you're getting over 3,000 pieces in this set. I just wanted to give it a quick mention. Please let me know your guys' thoughts. Once again, all of these will be linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. But if you guys enjoyed, smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.